Do you want to play? You're going to catch some air? Oh, right back to me, huh? Should we play it again? Whoa, that was a flip. Good for you. Oh, he's back. He's on. Off the bed in a backflip. Will he return? Crazy boy. Yes, he does. It's just a red hair tie, nothing too exciting. See it? Air. You caught air. I loved it. Good for you. Bringing it back. You're going to tire yourself out, kiddo. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Again. Good air, Louie. Awesomeness. Here it comes. So proud of you. You got anything to say?